Thank you so much for your time today, Mr. Arman and Mr. Marty. It's a really honor to introduce about BCA Group to Korean business people.
Hi ASEAN Path. 안녕하세요. 반가워요. I'm Arman Hartona from BCA. Happy to see you, and we would like to talk about BCA Indonesia. Hopefully the session will be useful for you.
Hi, my name is Marty Sutanto. I'm from BCA Securitas, one of the leading securities company in Indonesia, and we really look forward for welcoming you here to Indonesia and work together. Thank you.
BCA possesses 30 to 40% market share of daily payment nationwide. We analyze the data also to give out credit.
My next question is it's about the collaboration with Korean business people, not only conglomerates but also startups together. Many of Korean companies are looking for a business opportunity here in Indonesia. So can BCA Group open the door for the Korean companies to collaborate with?
Yeah, BCA is actually open a collaboration with anybody who wants to come to Indonesia. We have decided our strategy. We want to focus in Indonesia. We focus on domestic clients and infrastructure. With international business, we would partner, we work with someone else internationally. So any company who would love to invest in Indonesia, whether it's for manufacturing, they want to sell services or technology, consumer or government or even banking, we are open. Actually, most of the Korean banks are also our clients. We also have served many Korean clients in the manufacturing and also doing selling products such as cosmetics, food. We are actually very focused on helping anybody who come here can do business easily.
Do you have a specific area that you might collaborate with?
We have a look at, for example, technology. We have developed many automation and machineries related to cash and also customer service with Hyosung. We've talked to also some other software companies actually from Korea as well. And we've also actually have some joint cooperation with some other Korean banks. So we can actually work together with anybody internationally from many different dimensions.
What about Mr. Marty in terms of the capital market?
The Korean technology, the Korean securities firm in Korea are very advanced. So if there are potential partners that would like to working together with us, we are very open to look for a proven technology. And from the perspective of needs to invest, we as a securities company also we have a very good investment banking. We can mix and match IPO, bond underwriting. That's from the business perspective, but from the product perspective, I think the most important need for going forward is basically on technology.
I want to ask you why Indonesia, if you say?
And it's a very big country. It has a lot of commodities as a basic, whether it's energy or natural resources. It's good for agriculture, whether it's land or sea or fishery. It has huge population and mostly young people.
I think a simple answer will be why not. The current administration already put a lot of good foundation in terms of infrastructure, in terms of best practices. I think, like Pak Ahmad mentioned, we are really on the right direction. In terms of political stability, otherwise there is not too many foreign investors will come to Indonesia. So I think Indonesia will be a great platform for growth.
To look to the future, you should look at the past. Future, the current, the past is always connected. You cannot separate them. So if you look at Indonesia to the past, several thousand years, Indonesia has always been a very important trading partner for either India or China. Why? India and China compete for the same resources. Most important resource, which is water on the Himalaya mountains. So usually it's either India become a very strong kingdom at one time or China become a very strong kingdom at one time. If you look at history. Whenever they get strong, they would need many commodities. Whether it's wood, metal, coal, any other things. The main trading partner will always be Southeast Asia. And the biggest part of Southeast Asia has always been Indonesia. When when China is strong, they will also need to trade with Indonesia or Southeast Asia, pretty much this region. And the ships will have to go through
Yes.
Southeast Asia. And Indonesia is there, it's in the middle of Southeast Asia. So this region is actually very important. So not just Indonesia, the whole Southeast Asia is very important for both India and China. Looking at the past, it's like that, so we are still sure that going forward in the future, Southeast Asia and Indonesia will always be a very important trading partner for India and China. And now the world is globalized, so you can trade with anybody else in the world, right? So even more trading partner.
Where the BCA Group will focus on for the next 5 years?
BCA continue to focus on number one is the general payments. Always. That made BCA today is payment. When we talk about payment, it has to be enabled with the right people, process and technology. In 2004, we only had about 4 million customers, 25,000 workers, employees. Today we have more than 30 million accounts with 23,000 employees. So we are serving more clients, actually with less employees, more efficiently. In 2004, we processed about 600,000 transactions per day. Today, we process between 50 to 60 million transactions per day. Part of the transaction involve increasing money velocity and, of course, fee-based income. Some of the payment they do for some fees. And there are also monthly fees. So that's a very important basic for our business model. Then, because we already have this customer within the ecosystem, they need other financial solutions, whether it's for business or for consumer, for individuals. Business loan, insurance, bonds, they need to go public, need to underwrite something, for the consumer they need house, they need car, they need motorcycle, they need to buy furniture, anything. They will keep growing. So the basic strategy stays the same since 20 years ago. But the pace, the scale is different. So we have to enable whatever strategy we have set with the right people for today, the different process and the right technology to be delivered today. Throughout all the channels, whether number one is mobile. Mobile is still, of course, is the biggest channel today globally. Internet, the machine, the branches, and our contact center. Contact center becomes very important, but not many people talk about contact center. Because when things go digital, where do people go when there is problem or they have questions? Yes, they can browse the internet and everything, but sometimes it's still easier to go chat or call someone. Our branches cannot serve digital customers. The contact center can. So we decided since 15 years ago that contact center became a very pivotal point for our service. We've done it well in the last 11 years. We have always been the world champion in contact center quality. Whatever they do with BCA, we have to ensure they have the right solution, they have the right experience, and if anything goes wrong, they will get the right solution, and things will get resolved.
If you could say one last word to Korean business people, what would it be?
We are still very optimistic about the world. Even though we said in the beginning, the world is going to recession and anything. But when there are problems, there are opportunities. Business exists to serve others. When others actually have difficulty, it means it's opportunity for us to give them solution and lessen their difficulties, make things easier for them. Indonesia is a developing country. It's a land of opportunity. There's many people, many resources, and it's a very nice country. Please at least come to Indonesia for holiday, whether it's Bali or we have very nice golf courses as well. We have very good food. And if you do decide to go to do business in Indonesia, there are already a huge Korean community, and also BCA Bank is always ready to serve anybody who comes to Indonesia. We will always be by your side. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Kamsahamnida.
So, as always.